Hello everybody! How is everything going? I hope everything's going fine, yeah? Wherever you are. Okay, do you like to watch SpongeBob SquarePants episodes? If you do, here I have provided one of the best SpongeBob SquarePants episodes. So it's only a short clip and I made the dialogue by myself. And later I'll just read the dialogue for you because the dialogue is not taken from the real SpongeBob SquarePants episode, yeah? Okay, let's watch and see together. Hey, are you Patrick Store? I found this wallet. Yes, I am, but it's not mine. For heaven's sake. I found this ID in this wallet, and if that's the case, must be your wallet. Okay, so yeah, Man Ray, yeah, this guy is called Man Ray. So Man Ray found Patrick's wallet, but Patrick seems that he doesn't recognize his wallet. Okay, if you still remember, Patrick said before, but it's not mine, yeah, mine. And then this guy named Ray, I found this ID in this wallet, and if that's the case, this must be your wallet. I want to highlight the word your, mine and your. So these two words are words that we usually use every day. Okay guys, we'll go to the next part, yeah. So we have finished with the short clip. Let's go to the next slide. Yep. Okay. About possessive adjective. So what is a possessive adjective? Possessive adjectives are the words that are used to show possession, like my, your, his, her, its, our, your, and their. So we usually use these words to show the possession of our things, items, or objects, yeah? And they have to be followed by the noun. What is a noun? A noun is like an object, item, or a thing, yeah, that we can see or cannot see. Yeah. What is the example for a noun? For example, yeah, what is this? Yeah, it's a wallet, yeah. So it's gonna be my wallet, your wallet, his wallet, her wallet, its wallet, our wallet, your wallet, their wallet, like that. Okay, so we cannot use these words without mentioning the nouns, yeah. So for example, whose headphone is this? It is my what? So you should say it is my headphone, yeah. So we use possessive adjective words and then with the noun, yeah. So we have another type, yeah, about possessive pronoun. Here, mine, yours, his, hers, its, ours, and theirs. So we can use these words as well without mentioning the nouns. So like for example, whose necklace is it? Said Max. And then Joy says, it's hers. Well, Joy can also say it's her necklace. But we can also say like this, yeah. Whose necklace is it? It's hers. Yeah. So we can also use these words, yeah, without mentioning the nouns. Yeah, the nouns, yeah, it's like the object or a thing or an item. Yeah. So I will be mine, you, yours, he, his, she, hers, it, its, we, ours, they, theirs. Yeah, that's the meaning. Mine, milikku, and then yours, milikmu, his, miliknya, but for boys or men, for male, yeah. And then hers, miliknya, for female. It's miliknya, but it is actually for a thing or an item or animals or dead objects. Ours, milik kita. Theirs, milik mereka. Yeah. So for example, whose headphone is this? I can say it is my headphone, but I can also say it is mine. Yeah. Alright, now let's see. Quizzes. Yeah, let's have a try. So I'm going to open a quizzes website. Yeah. So we're going to have a practice together, okay? You may take your notebook and later when you see the questions you can write down the answers, yeah, and let's check together whether your answers are correct or not. So there are only 13 questions. Okay, let's play again. So I have played this game before, but I'll just play it for you, okay? The first question. Okay, because there is a time I have to go faster. The cookies are all. My mom, can sister and I, so more than one person, yeah? So what is your answer? The time, come on. Yeah, hours, correct. We go to the next question. Is that a boy band? The next question, number 2. Sorry. That is blah blah blah. We bought it last night at the shopping mall. We. So we, remember, we gotta use hours, yeah, for the possessive pronoun. Number 3, Anna and Lisa have a Barbie doll. Barbie. Anna and Lisa, more than one person. So we can use, so it should be they, yeah? So Barbie doll is theirs. Right, next question. Number 4, that is my book. My. What is the possessive pronoun of my? Okay, what is your answer? We'll answer this. The book is mine. Next question, number 5. I have a Ferrari. I. What is the possessive pronoun of I? So, Ferrari is mine. Next question. Number 6. Andy and I have a pet tortoise. Andy and I. So, we, yeah? Andy and I can be changed into we. So what is the possessive pronoun of we? What is your answer? Okay, good. The tortoise is ours. I'm not sure how we climb the ladder. Okay, next question, number 7. The elephant has a banana. Banana. The elephant, only one. So for animal we use use it here. The banana is its. Okay, correct. Power up. Good. I got 200 points here. Plus 200 points. Network issues. Oh my. What's happening here? Okay, let's continue. That is not Ali's flash drive. It is Annie's, said Ahmad. And then Annie's. Yes, it is. This question is a little bit tricky. Yeah? What is the answer? It is a dialogue, so mine. When you ace a retake after getting a question. Okay. Come and eat. We have chicken wings. We. So what is the possessive pronoun of we? Yep, the chicken wings are ours. Okay. Who's hogging all the right answers? You, a fat cat. Number 10. Have you seen my wallet? I saw one in the hallway just now. Maybe it is. Have you? Yeah, what is... So we focus on you, yeah? So what is the possessive pronoun of you? Yeah, yours. Okay, good job. You haven't used eraser, not now. Yeah, I think I saw John drop this. Sorry, it should be his phone, iPhone. Yeah, it is. So we should focus on his. Sorry, it should be his. Yeah, it is. Come on, what is your answer? Yeah, his. Alright, 2 more questions. Number 12. Ali and Alia bought the KFC bucket for dinner. Ali and Alia. Ali and Alia, yeah, can be changed into they, yeah. They. So, what is the possessive pronoun of they? Yep, good. The KFC bucket is theirs. Go to the last question. Number 13. Rifki lost his glasses. Rifki, yeah, so it should be he. Can be changed into he, yeah, because it's a boy's name. The lost glasses are hers, theirs, or his. What is your answer? I choose this one. Okay, correct. So game ended. I've got all answers correct. I got 100. Yeah. All right. That's all. So next time I'll just give you this kind of exercise about possessive pronoun, maybe through quizzes. Yeah. So this is just a practice, okay? And the last one, I want to show you this. Yeah, this is the table of the subject, possessive adjective, and possessive pronoun. Subject: I, you, he, she, it, we, you, and they. And these are the possessive adjective words: mine, your, his, her, its, our, your, their. For the possessive pronoun: mine, yours, his, hers. Oh, sorry, it should be its, and ours, yours, and theirs. So we're not going to focus on possessive adjective, but we're going to focus on possessive pronoun. Yeah, I, mine, you, yours, he, his, she, hers, it, its, we, ours, you, yours, they, theirs. Alright. Whose country is Indonesia? Indonesia is our country. The country is... What is the possessive pronoun? The country, Indonesia, yeah, is ours. Okay. Alright guys, thank you very much for listening and watching to my video. And we're going to continue the next lessons on the next video. Thank you very much. Goodbye.